She just learned how to make a somersault.
Ow!
Yay! That's actually your first real one.
Yay! Let's try it.
Yay! Give Daddy a high five.
My sandwich.
You instantly went from somersault to sandwich.
My sandwich. My sandwich. Not sandwich now. My sandwich. It's sandwich.
Quistis, you're easily distracted, you know that?
Oh, Cookie Monster. This is my Cookie Monster. My Cookie Monster.
You want me to read it to you?
Play my mommy.
Sweetie Sue, that's like 4 things in 10 seconds. I guess that's being a kid.
Wow.
You're totally doing that.
Mario.
You play that game with Mommy. I bet she could use the help.
Mommy, play dance. Play Mario.
You wanna play Mario?
Yes.
Okay, let me save you. Play Mario.